In this video, I am going to reveal 7 stupid easy ways that you can find a niche for your affiliate marketing business. Now, each one of these ways is real simple, straightforward, easy. You can find a niche within 10 to 15 minutes. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how to find a niche step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. And remember, guys, you have just a few days left if you want to enter to win the $500 giveaway. Watch this video so that you can learn the exact steps that you need to take if you want to earn or enter a chance to win the $500. All right, so one of the biggest hurdles that a lot of people go through when they first realize that they want to get started with affiliate marketing is they can't pick a niche. They need help. They don't know where to find a niche, and they feel like they have to get into the make money online space or, promote make money online courses when that's not the case at all. There are literally millions of niches out there, and in this video, I'm going to help you find a couple. So let's go ahead and take a look at my screen. The first way to find a niche is actually really easy. What we can do here is we can simply just take a look at a retail store. For example, I'm here on Amazon, and what you can do is click on all here, go down to shop by department, click on see all, and then, for example, smart home. Under smart home, all of these are different subcategories that we could create content about. For example, let's take a look at plugs and outlets. We could create content about the different smart plugs that are out there, their uses, their features, their benefits, how to get started with them. So what you could do just to verify that this is something that people are interested in is we could actually click on the product name, copy the product name, paste it right into YouTube and see if people are actually searching it. And this will tell us if there are people that are interested in this space. The truth is, smart home isn't going away. So you could start creating content in the smart home space and you could see lots of traffic, but you don't just have to use Amazon. You could use Best Buy. You could use like Petland if you're interested in pets. You could use Home Depot, for example, if you want to do DIY home type stuff. You can see here that people are actually searching this. This top result is by Amazon. The second result has 45,000 views, only 6,000 subscribers. You can see that people are looking this information up, and you can start here creating content about the smart plug and then niche up and out into smart home automation. So that's just one way. This is real simple, real easy. That's number one. Number two is you can actually take a look at recent purchases. For example, if we take a look at this gaming monitor, once again, we could copy this gaming monitor, paste it right over into YouTube and see if people are actually searching this. And again, this is real stupid, real easy way to find a niche. You can find very low competition keywords and you can create good content and start getting traffic. And what we can do is, this is a relatively easy way to get into the gaming space. Most people try and get into the gaming space by creating let's play videos or videos about their favorite video game. However, you could create a review video about different gaming components. As you can see here, these are relatively small channels, 16,000 views. 37,000 views. This channel only has 7,000 subscribers, 1.4 thousand views. Look at this one, 12,000 views from 8.4 thousand subscribers. These people are interested in gaming or monitors at the very least, and you could build a dedicated following. Look at this one, 772 views, 284 subscribers. So you could start creating content here and then zoom out into other aspects of gaming and build a following. So the second way is to look at your recent purchases. Again, you don't just have to use Amazon. You could use Best Buy, Target, wherever you shop. Click on returns and orders, and then away you go. And just to show you, you could literally do this with anything. I found a kitchen frother that my wife had purchased. I copied and pasted it right into YouTube and it works. So let me see if I can find another one real quick. These heated gloves for women. Let's see, we can copy this, heated glove liners for men, women. We're gonna copy this and we can paste it right into YouTube once again. And we could get into the clothing niche for men or women just by looking at our recent purchases. Real simple, real easy. Look at this second result here, 2.2 thousand views, 1.4 thousand subscribers, 1.3 thousand views. Look at this third one, 724 views, 369 subscribers. Lots of opportunity just looking at your recent purchases. The third way is actually to take a look at Google Trends. Now, there are 3 ways that you can look through Google Trends. One thing that you can do is you can look at the year in review and see what pops up, see if anything that pops out to you. We can take a look at the recently trending. Look at this, NFTs, Bucks, Tyler Perry, Miami Heat, lots of opportunity. We can come up here and click on the hamburger menu, go to explore, and we can type in a term that we might be interested in. Let's type in, or we could even look down here. We could look down here with World Cup. We know the World Cup happens every few years. FIFA World Cup, Qatar. I think I mispronounced Qatar, but that's okay. Qatar. Anyway, so if we look at this, there are lots of options. What we can even do too is we can type in a search term. So we could type in affiliate marketing like this, hit enter, and then this is actually going to give us some subcategories. If we look, Hustlers University, Millionaire Track, how to make money with affiliate marketing, copywriting, lead generation, these side job, these are all sub niches that we could get into and create content. Another way that we can look is we can take a look at trending searches. There are 2 ways to look at the trending searches, which is really cool. So if we look at this daily trending, 49ers, Avatar 2, so we could actually start doing like movie reviews. 49ers is football, NFL, Christian McCaffrey, football, NFL, Beauty and the Beast, and so on. You can see there are lots of different things that pop up. Now, what we can do too is we can take a look at real-time searches, and you can see there are all sorts of stuff that pops up. Once again, Gretchen Whitmer from Michigan, that's politics. You could start affiliate marketing for politics if you wanted to. Tornadoes, we could actually do stuff with like severe weather preparation. We could promote things like generators, survival kits, things of that nature. Games Workshop. This is soccer or football once again. The Office. There is still a huge following on The Office. For The Office, pro tip, I actually watch The Office at night when I want to go to sleep. But you can see here there are lots of opportunities. And then what you can even do too is you can actually sort this by category. So maybe I want to look at trending searches based on business. You can take a look. Once again, there are different things that pop up. Dark chocolate, so we could get into the recipe niche. These are all different ways to get ideas and inspiration, but Google Trends is actually a really good opportunity. The next way is to look at YouTube. Now, what I recommend that you do for YouTube is you can look at the things that pop up on your For You page. For example, there's a lot of content about concrete. I watch concrete videos. I don't know why, but I do. I also watch these videos about people that are auditing police interactions, make money online. You could actually create content in all of these instances as well. For example, for this concrete thing, I began watching these concrete videos because we were going to have a patio installed. And so if we think about it, people that are watching concrete videos, either they want to be entertained or they want to be educated. You could actually put together a list of everything that people need in order to do their own concrete patio. Or we could even find offers on OfferVault for maybe a regional installers of concrete, and then we could earn a commission there teaching people about concrete. But you can see here, these are all different things that I'm already interested in, and I could potentially create content. If we keep scrolling, you can see lots of opportunity to get started with affiliate marketing and make money. Lots of opportunity here just looking at your favorite YouTube channel or even your favorite blog post. Another thing that you can take a look at is actually with hobbies. Now, there are a few different hobbies here. I typed in basketball for men over 30 because that's one of my hobbies. And you can see people have different sports leagues for men over 30. Now, what you can do in this instance, let's say I want to start a website or a YouTube channel, is I would create things like how to stay healthy, how to get in shape. So maybe like a workout routine, practice jerseys that I could promote from Amazon, basketballs, different equipment, Nike shoes, things of that nature. The best shoes for men's basketball players over 30 is something that people may be searching and looking up. And so there is a whole wide opportunity targeting people that are over the hill and they still want to play basketball. These are called weekend warriors usually. And so you can see here lots of opportunity just thinking about your hobbies. Another hobby that I have is collecting sports cards. So there is a lot of opportunity I don't know why this is open, but there are lots of opportunities just thinking about the hobbies and stuff that you enjoy. You could do video games, lots of opportunities all over the place. You could start affiliate marketing and things that you do all day. For example, before I went full time online, I was a software developer. And so you could actually create content about software development, and then you could actually promote different affiliate products. For example, if you go back to some of my earlier videos on this YouTube channel, my content was originally about AWS and software development. For example, this video from 4 years ago, 8,000 views. This video right here, which is poorly titled, 2.4 thousand views. And if we look at this one, 352 views, but this is in a technical nature. Now, the reason why I was able to create these videos is because one of my main goals and purposes and requirements for my job was to learn Amazon Web Services and to be able to do some of these different things. So if you have a job, a full-time job, and you do it all day, you are skilled in something and you can teach that something to somebody else. For example, my next door neighbor is an accountant. He can teach corporate accounting to people, and then he can promote accounting software like QuickBooks, or I think Intuit owns QuickBooks. He could find different software to promote. He could even promote Google. Google has an affiliate program as well, but there are lots of opportunities out there. Oh, the one that I forgot was actually taking a look at the magazine aisle. Now, what you'll see on the screen right here is my walk through my grocery store. My grocery store has a pretty large magazine aisle, and you can see that all of these different magazines are niches that you could get into. There is lots of opportunity. So if you are stuck on a niche, go to the local grocery store, take a look at all of the different things that pop up. There are niches, there are sub niches, lots of opportunities at local grocery stores. So that was the one that was missing. Let's go ahead and recap them real quick. We've got retail stores, we've got the magazine aisle, recent purchases, Google Trends, or trending topics in general. I did a video on Brittany Griner last week that did fairly well over on TikTok. I also did another video on Passport Bros. I didn't even know what that was until recently. Passport Bros, if you don't know, people are going overseas to find a spouse. You could actually create content about the best places to visit if you're looking to find a spouse, and then put affiliate links to booking.com and to luggage and things of that nature. You could do favorite YouTube channels or blog, your hobbies or kids' hobbies. My son recently got started with soccer, and so I had to look that up and figure out what he needed in training and things of that nature, and then what you do all day. I'm actually putting together a list of 500 niche ideas for you to take a look at. So this is the vision and what I plan to bring to you guys. It'll be a list of top level niches, and then you'll be able to select the top level niche, and then there will be a bunch of sub niches that you can take a look at. When you click on the sub niche, you'll be able to see about 5 to 10 different keywords that you could get started with, and a few different affiliate programs to help you get up and running. Let me know if that's something that you're interested in, because I think I'm going to do that. I think there's a lot of demand for it, and it eliminates 3 of the 7 steps required for affiliate marketing. Let me know down below if that's something that you're interested in, because I will begin working on it this weekend. Also, watch this video next, because YouTube says it's going to help you grow a successful online business.